were new, it was a wonderful meeting.
Yeah.
And then every year we've been coming. So this is the 12th batch of Emory students. And they've been here for 4 months studying Buddhist philosophy, Tibetan language, Tibetan culture. And now for 3 weeks they've been doing research on different Tibet-related topics. So emptiness, Tibetan medicine, Tibetan politics, many different interests.
Yes.
So we have 4 more days, and everyone said we must go see you.
Oh.
So we're so glad we could do that.
Thank you.
Also, I wanted to say that this program is run with the Institute of Buddhist Dialectics from the very beginning.
Yes.
So our faculty are Emory, American faculty, and IBD Tibetan faculty.
Okay.
And I don't know if you know this, but His Holiness the Dalai Lama is a professor at Emory.
Yeah.
So we're very fortunate. Yeah, very fortunate. Yeah. So a few of the students had research-related questions.
Okay.
One came yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Well, and asked about Buddhism and science.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you have time to take questions.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hi, I'm studying, for my independent research, I'm studying calm abiding, or Shune in Tibetan, and how to cultivate calm abiding. So I was wondering if you could speak about the relationship between ethics, concentration, and wisdom, specifically focusing on concentration, or Shune, and how it's needed to attain enlightenment.
It's a big topic.
Okay. I think first I want to say thank you very much. Come here or something.
Yes.
Yeah. And thank you. 당보텔라. 디 수준대 가르 띵인지데 시럽을 잡아시으스래.
네, 그 신행 거지야 또 심죽치주스. 근데 타라. 더 토백이 그래서 체지엔 간지를 되는 거. 나는 델리아 또 스탠다. ethics and concentration wisdom 디. 저 잡아tis습니다.
자, 야부 사람은 시세도 많다. 마신에 고주다 그게 계시주요. 과주 계시네 야부. 마신에 삼다 가서 지당기 수림사디. 맞지도 지시야 담배 제자셔. 가서 가서 이제 누슬라고 말다. 라바 수림 일하면서 엔지 분배낭이야 가서 취해가 나시 지시. 그봐. 아니 라바 가서디 라바 띵이지 라바데 추디 배 당어에 나시. 추디다 저 장마를 쓰지. 수림디 안에다지 분배낭이야 추루샤나시 저거를 듣는지. 라바 띵이지 라바스도 사나 분배낭이야. 아니 예베데 추디 장미이 나시. 아니 라바 시르비 라바스도 사나 추티 나놀이야. 아니 배 가르쳐다지 송에 샤브나 시르지. 데르지 서워. 다지 가르쳐 지용 찬디 과르체.
Well, more than what I could tell on the spot, obviously you have eminent scholars or geishas that you work with, and probably it would be in your best interest to dialogue with them and then sort of get to the bottom of these things. Just on top of the mind, generally there's analogy that is used, talking about the 3 trainings, in ethics, concentration and wisdom. That is the importance of a container, like, so the ethics would be a vase that could contain water, and then concentration in connection with that is that water is pristine, sort of clean, and then wisdom is that as a result of there being water and it's being clean, that reflections can occur, wisdom. So there is a way of presenting that way, as a sort of perspective.
The thing is, the is to get him shadi or so. And in a zoo cashew that is Sada Lamsi, Yabe Cashew. Jidangi Azujin Jigdimbe and Jikashu Lambda and Jidin Debe Lamkad, Kandisi and Drogane, Kolia and Sim Ziziki Kashwada, Nuber of the Shutikation Chadi orders. And the Indusanda, Diggins in the Jik the Zizi Drubiar with the Luzi Indusane, and the Zizi Dictation Shuchadi order. Zizi Chumina, and a Yaj Karshalam Ribet in the dry. They may have been. And that can go casually. Same give casual, never did dream to me. The Android had the Karabish Chadi. They do stand the things in the cage of
So, out of this, probably can be highlight the importance of concentration, using that particular term. It is of tremendous significance when it comes to effectively and practically approaching the different stages of the path. And we talk about the levels and the path. And in fact, both in mundane or worldly context, as well as sort of supermundane or the elevated spiritual context, concentration understood from the point of view of cultivating, developing the cultivation of one-pointedness of mind is of, it's imperative. Because, in fact, the very foundation, the very basis for these, whatever steps, constructive steps you take in a worldly context or spiritual context, you have to have the basis of the one-pointedness of mind, or the basis of where being able to focus is at will, at ease. And so, which is to say, the ability or the energy of the mind can be driven into whatever you will to focus on. So the ability of the mind. So from that point of view, yes, it has a very important place.
Thank you.
I'm doing research on the process of generating yogic direct perception. And so my question was, in the process of generating this direct perception, the individual first has to get at their object through the use of a generic image. And then through meditation, the clarity of this image gradually increases, but at the same time, its obstruction to the direct perception of the actual object is diminishing. So I'm wondering, what's the cause for the shift of to a lack of reliance on the generic image?
Lack of what?
Oh, lack of reliance on the generic image. When the meditation familiarizes the individual with the image rather than the object itself.
Can you simplify? Shoot. Yeah.
Yogic direct perception.
Yeah.
Would
you like that?
That wouldn't help.
Maybe not.
Too lofty for me. The direct yogic direct perception.
Kanajoti.
Data nezu karine ya tene. Karine de tongtobek serval. Tende the kase kangyam hibajangan zudan de tongtobek.
Okay.
Kangyam tene magawa tongtobek. Teke da nanjur ki tubjuk
You don't understand. I know that Nenjungusum said about Nenjungusum. Nenjungusum. That's a gum double here, woman, or gum bed double. The Carshway. As you see out, that Carshway that. 아주 뒤균이 베네시저리 내려 심이나 안 치료를 가서 시절을 지제세
대는 베네직 통해 줘발
다 되게 자만이 되냐 되게 고민도 돼 렌두산 치료를 시절을 지제세 될 럽종 전에 안에 가서 근데 통해 않고 가서 시료를 지게요 봐 아니 양 곰도를 때는 지 가서야 the syrup nang suchayo, so Casurati ranking on Casualty syrup nane suchayo. The Digital vacation, the Indusane, and a Casurata. That is so the Casual Tangi consciousness, G Casual, she needs to get some child, the basic. And she needs and the Nemaji Casual Latonce. The Kandaji Shila Nubitilia, Java chatting, the regiment or something. That's the reject. The Kandaji,
the chart way in Nubati, Sir Region, the Nebati Yevchik Sir Chin, I mean, it's the way to.
The Yevchi summer, the Chidangi the Nazur Chimasiro, the yes or that and that cook the Nuberchi yes or that. Nuberchi yes or
so just
could Nan Gievi in the Koti Shungor, Shumber of the Papi, and a Koti Kashu that is a job.
So generally, around this topic, and there is on a more common and relative level, when you look at certain relative, context of learning about something, trying to discover about something, you have the knowledge based on external things. You became informed. You sort of came. The sort of know-how came about, but that is actually more sort of on the superficial side, and whereas so it should be said that the real sort of breakthrough know-how could come about through meditative familiarity, that is developing the inner potential to have more in terms of talking about direct perception, and so from that point of view, that cultivating the inner ability to have a more reliable know-how, and but for that you have to say that it is not some sort of new, way of knowing that you have developed. The potential to know or to perceive has been developed probably that might be the way to approach. Yeah.
Okay.
Better than, okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think all the difficult questions.
Okay, this next one's not so hard. Sam?
I'm studying Tibetan Buddhist poetry, and I'm wondering what you think the relationship is between poetry and Buddhist practice.
냥아래.
No, 남의 냥아.
어디 가서.
냥아도 냠랭이.
와우. 냥아도 냠네. 지당기 가르쳐야지. 단도스를 치 응외벽이 지금 제도 컨디션이나 티지낭 따지 된 담배 제도서 가서 지금 낭sem기 제도를 비지들 독터미야 버지 지시하로다
독터미야
드린주산 나마상게 베지 배 어저차 그 가서 낭sem의 제도세란다도 연대하는 버선한다도 디기디 가서야 되지 망부지 제주시 예비 인도산에 아주 진행하는 조직 지도기 나버르디 마 되야로 시에도와 되는 인도산에 에너지 계시 된 담배 지도로 되게 하고 있습니다. 아니 신의 지 가르쳐 된 담배 냥아서는 장도 간다지 지 이완 초토베 냥아로 지용 토야로지 드르지도와 드르지산티 주제되네 가수다 나 잡아서 드르지다 시라시 시면
maybe it could be said this way. We talk about the external, beauty of things, external objects, and so probably from the Buddhist perspective, there is no comparison between what we perceive as external beauty of material things to that of the internal beauty of the qualities of the mind. There is simply nothing to compare. And so from that point of view, when we talk about the internal beauty of the mind, is talking about the versatile, possibilities of profound qualities of the mind, and now that such qualities that you feel internally, mentally, and the external manifestation or the vehicle of manifestation would be through, in other words, of the poetry. And as such, if within the profound beauty of the qualities of the mind, so you are able to cultivate more vividly those profound qualities of the mind, and then there is a better chance for you to be able to sort of articulate it, to bring it about, to visual image of that, and to the extent that that it could become the vehicle for an expression of the ultimate beauty, ultimate profundity, that magnetizing potential or possibility of the mind. So I think it's talking in relationship to the practice.
Mm-hmm. May we ask another, or just...
Yes, please. One.
One more.
Yeah.
Okay. Micah. Or whichever, you guys decide.
Your Holiness, this question is not for my research.
Okay.
It's just out of personal interest as a Westerner who practices Buddhism. I'm I'd like to ask what your impressions are of Western Buddhists and what you think the challenges and opportunities they face going forward are.
Oh, 다 가르쳐라. 다 지당 가르쳐다. 또 누셔버지. 엄마 지 가르쳐 나바 상계베 지 background 강가 매요르지 봐.
네네.
다 로망 베르미야. 지 로규다 지 가르쳐 감정으로다 안 가르쳐다 지 냠뇨잔 매요르지다 사브르 차인 거 알아. 가르쳐다 지 신입의 겨울을 렌체 지금 남의 겨울을 렌체 직사 저로다 그게를 셈 근데 안 가르쳐다 디토르 체인주스타네 야고지 남의 우마지 람룩스에 대진도 하면 막 문에전에 아직 군세르지 가르쳐지 제베 토네 드라르지 고랑 가사버지 고 정말 룩스엔 밤에 맘에는 이제 루스어를 집인데 루스어기 제드라디 쇼체르지 마다베 enzi gyunzen dayang nilu jes daudi dis nilu chari di chuan chabi na ani abu sta chari na songdos enzi more kaswa da ji progress kaswa ya gendra da ani aji tanda ngode nya li ya ko kaswa ji现在面对ke kaswa ko ting samar ji yong de ger songdos da imini chojin xiabi 아주르지 누조기 지당기 지조아제 안다는 지지 용제 안 대단 제베지 더주브제 대조다야 지 나바상게베다 본 제외 지가 나바상게베 취해야 안 대단 제외가 지 가르르다 지 더주브지 망고슬레 인두산티 버룰이야 뇽지차 디스칼라 카브차리게 소르직체 안다는 지당가 저 누조 상로 가르르지 장왕담 and dana sin ji kaswe yang kaswe da software ulya an meba chambe ye Hindustan yang ko nabasange bichwe ngumane ta ko lam luxury je de dine yang ko kaswe kasher ji lam lu din drama de sabji da yang ko kajo sab cha de yang di baru de traditional with da yang di kaswe 소셜로 팀르지 요한데 디스칼라 하브르지 어디기스 다들 내 돈에 한 직신 비싸 다 간다지 챌린지 방법이 요한데 이게 소셜 다 이네 까지 차네 고 지체네 new era somewhere 나머선 그 드리지 차도 알지 용벌성도스
well there being many possibilities but as in from the point of view opportunities given that as Westerner, not having any Buddhist background, historically speaking, culturally speaking, and experience-wise, and maybe the way we sometimes put it in Tibetan is like you are having like new birth, birth in the Buddha Dharma, sort of thing, born into, being born into the Buddha Dharma. So from that point of view, that probably you have the advantage of the benefit of not bound by a culture, not bound by a custom, and that it's like sort of almost like kind of determined sort of thing. Mm-hmm. The way is paved, and you just follow the motion, and as sort of it's set. And so instead of that, probably you have the opportunity to reason, to approach it with logic, reason, as opposed to sort of kind of for generations it has been laid out for you. It's part of the culture, the life, and everything. So you just go along with it. And so you have the benefit because, the approach with reason, with logic, and getting to what's the real, meaning, point, that is important. So in order to make a more effective progress, in order to be able to get the real meaning, and so that way that is in your favor. So probably the challenge, in general, the challenge part is, well, you come from a different society, different culture, and so you have the habit of that society, you have the habit of that culture, and a certain strong sort of perception, the way of perceiving, cultural view, if you would, and habit of that. And so it may be, a challenge to break through, and that being sort of fixated on that aspect, and is a challenge maybe to break through. Then also there is the other challenges. Again, there is the issue of freedom. There's a freedom, and then there's a sense of you be the one who come up with a sort of new set of ways. It's like a pioneer in that sense, and like that the opportunity to introduce a new form, and then that either that the importance of tradition get sort of put down, importance of tradition, or conflict with the importance of tradition. So in that way, because necessary, that just simply because the idea of freedom, you feel carried away to come up with something new is not necessarily better. And so taking these perspectives of account, maybe there is an opportunity to, say, to gradually cultivate or develop a wholesome, a new era.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.